Good Night Gorilla, written by Peggy Rathman. Good Night Gorilla. Good night, gorilla. Boys and girls, do you notice what the gorilla is doing in the picture? I wonder what he's going to do with the zookeeper's keys. Good night, elephant. Good night, lion. Good night, hyena. Good night, giraffe. Good night, armadillo. Can you see what's happening in the picture? All of the animals are following in line right behind the zookeeper. They're all so tired and ready for bed. Good night, dear. Good night. 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 The zookeeper's eyes are wide open. The zookeeper's wife's eyes are wide open. Or maybe it's the gorilla's eyes. Let's see whose eyes are wide open. It's the zookeeper's wife, and she looks awfully surprised. I wonder what she's going to do. She's taking them all back to the zoo. Good night, zoo. Good night, dear. Good night. Good night. Good night. The end. So, boys and girls, today I would like you to think about when all the animals followed the zookeeper to his house, how many were in the bed? So let's look back at the book to the page that shows all of the animals when they were all in the bed and in the room with the zookeeper and his wife. So my math problem today, I want you to figure out with pictures, numbers, and words, how many animals were in the zookeeper's bedroom? Put on your math thinking hats and let's solve our problem.